BNSF 4334, diverge into the next siding. There is an Amtrak train coming through, so clear the main line.
This is BNSF 4334. We will diverge into the next siding, over.
Amtrak 192. All tracks ahead have been cleared. You are officially cleared for top speed.
Dispatch, this is Amtrak 192. We hear you loud and clear. Now throttling up to full speed.
What the heck just happened?
Sir, it seems like we've had an engine failure.
Oh crap. We are barely into the siding. We have to tell dispatch.
Sir, the radio doesn't work either. All power on the train has been cut.
Crap. Oh shit. There's an Amtrak heading towards us.
Sir, we need to get off the train.
I'm going down with my train. I see a light in the distance. Oh fuck, it's the Amtrak.
Sir, it's been an honor to be your conductor.
You see that?
Yeah.
Oh fuck, it's a train. Hit the emergency brakes. Now.
Well, this is it. Get away from the right side of the locomotive.
Godspeed.
Godspeed to you as well. Here it comes. Brace.